Hi, I'm Isabella Hill with Broadway Family Karate, and today I'll be demonstrating the front snap kick. So you start in a front stance, and whichever leg you're kicking with is going to be at the back. You tuck in your knee, and then you just kick out. You have to strike with the ball of your foot. So 1, 2, and 3. Okay, so now I'm going to have Mr. Discipline help me. So first, we're going to start by just touching the target and finding it. And then we're going to add a push to it. And then finally, you can fully kick the target. And that is the front snap kick.